Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE refrigerator shelf support. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new shelf support. The shelf support supports the shelves inside the refrigerator. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and the shelves aren't sitting evenly and the drawers aren't opening and closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the refrigerator door. Once you have the door open, we can change out the shelf supports. There's 3 short ones and 1 long one on this upper one and 4 on the bottom one. In order to change the top ones out, you just have to pull the drawer out, lift it up and pull it out the rest of the way, and then lift up on the shelf and pull it out. This is where you would go in to change these out on the upper ones, but we're going to show you how to do it on the lower ones. In order to change out the lower ones, we're going to pull the middle drawer out. Just pull out, lift up, pull it out and set it aside. Then we can pull the lower drawer out a little bit and then lift up on this cover and pull it out. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. And then we have access to the shelf supports. They're all changed out the same way. All you have to do is take a Phillips screwdriver and take out the screw. Once you have the screw out, you can pull the shelf support off and pull it out of the fridge. Here's the old shelf support next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new shelf support in, we're going to put the screw through it first and get it started into the hole. Then we can grab the Phillips screwdriver and tighten it down. Once you have it tightened down, we can put the cover back on. You want to make sure that the slots are lined up with the shelf support in the back. You just have to push it back into place and then lower it back onto the front supports. Once you have it in place, you can push the lower drawer in, then we can put the middle drawer in. All you have to do is line it up with the rails and push it back into place. Once you have it in, you can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.